We are going to mix the eggshell with our compost. This is another way to use eggshell to subcharge your garden. Remember this, our animal dropping. So we are mixing it with eggshell. Very strong, very strong mixing for your vegetable. You can see the eggshell mixed with compost. Strong nutrients for your vegetable. The eggshell has the calcium, while the compost has nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus that the plant needs. The nitrogen is meant for the greener leaf, to make your leaf become greener, and the calcium, which is the eggshell, for strong stem and fruit production. So we mix. The eggshell is well mixed inside the compost. This is another way to supercharge your garden. It's not expensive, it's easy to do and very cheap way. Productive vegetable, a very high grade and flavorful vegetable. That is what we desire from our garden. This calcium and animal dropping, wow, it is superb. You will definitely get your result. You keep mixing. You can see how we are mixing the calcium. Need this for your vegetable. So after mixing, we'll pause it.